Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to get the Android 12 or Pixel, Google Pixel clock widget on any Android. So you can use any Android mobile, but you can just still get this Android clock widget on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So just update your Google Clock app on your Play Store. After updating the clock app, you can find this widget. You can see it's on darker mode and also the lighter mode. The color has been changing. You long press it and just click on the UI color. You can just change the UI color so it automatically changes to the clock widget too. So if you are using green color, it will be green. Long press on your screen and click on the widget option. Just scroll down and you can find your clock. Click on this clock and here you can find this type of clock widget. Actually, it's on updated clock app. So you can find different type of clock widgets here. So the favorite one we just using here is the analog clock. While clicking on, just long press on the analog clock and place on the screen. So here you can just select the clock face. There is a 4 different type of clock face they have been given to this. So actually you can just use it on dark mode or lighter mode. Automatically it will changes. The color will be darker and lighter. So you can just choose 4 different analog clock which you just needed. So my favorite one was this first setup. Just click this and just long press on the clock. So you can just resize the clock to a home screen. And just long press on the screen, same process. I just going to add a stopwatch timer here. So you can see it's on the second position and just long press it and you can just add the stopwatch to directly to the screen. So it changes my screen to the Android customization at super level. So you can just click on this and you can just see the stopwatch has been begin, and you can also reset directly on the screen. This is how you just add this clock on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.